How's your sleep? It's good. I'm glad. I'm glad your sleep's good. How's your belly? Feeling better? Oh, that's good. In your head, are you still feeling sick? Okay, good. No more headaches? Alright, perfect. No, sweetie. Is there anything I can get you? Anything whatsoever? Some water. I can make you breakfast. Or, do you want a purse? Yeah. I can get you something. Or maybe like a car. I saw you eyeing that Lamborghini, so I figured, or maybe like a jet. Anything whatsoever, sweetie. No? Nothing? You just want to cuddle? Of course, baby, we can cuddle. Let's go cuddle. You know, pretty soon, it's gonna be the three of us. Me, you, and the baby. I know. I know. I think it's crazy too. I really never thought in a million years that I would be a father. It's crazy, but I can honestly tell you that it really is a dream come true. And it makes me so happy. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I am a little bit scared. But I know it's gonna be okay. 'Cause we have each other. I know. Everything's gonna be okay. But I know that our baby's gonna be good. It's gonna be such a beautiful thing. It is. Our baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. Mm. Let me feel your belly. Ah, it's so smooth. I think I can feel the baby. The baby's kicking a little bit. I can feel it. I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. I know, it's wild. It's crazy. I love you. And I know you're gonna be such a good mother. I can tell. Of course you're gonna be a good mother. Don't worry about it, princess. You're so kind and nurturing. You're gonna be the most perfect, beautiful, hottest mother there is. You're finally gonna be a MILF. Oh, princess. You're gonna do great, okay? I don't want you to worry, 'cause I'm gonna be there every single step of the way, okay? I'll be by your side. Of course, I'm gonna be a good father. Don't worry, sweetie. I'll be a great father, okay? I'm gonna love our baby, and I'm gonna love you, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. I'm gonna do my best to raise our baby, and I'm gonna do my best to take care of you and our baby, because you guys are both my babies. You're so cute, you know. I've been looking forward for this for a long time. I really have. Mm. You know, when I first saw you, I was so nervous. I was so nervous to go up to you. You are so beautiful. I mean, I was scared. I was scared to come up to you. But I'm glad that I did. I was so shocked when you gave me your number. I was surprised and excited. And when I took you on your first date, it was magical. It was. I still remember what you wore and the perfume that you were wearing. You were so amazing. You were so kind. You were so nice. You were so loving. I loved everything about you. I really did. I mean, I fell madly in love with you that day. I really did. It was beautiful. And look at us now. Look at our journey. We're gonna have a family soon. I know. And I'm really glad to share this journey with you. I love you so much, baby. The baby's kicking right now. Yeah. Baby's kicking kind of hard. Let me grab that. Let me grab the hot water bottle for you, yeah. It's gonna make you feel better. Give me 1 second, sweetie. No, here you go, princess. I got you your heated water bottle. Let's put on your belly. There you go. Doesn't that feel good? Does, huh? Of course, baby. I'll do anything for you. I'll do anything for you and our baby. You know, you have the most beautiful eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes are really, really something special. I mean, I'm not telling you this just to impress you or anything. I just happen to notice them. I mean, I've always noticed them. It's just that sometimes, your eyes, they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love. Sometimes it can be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, honestly, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I mean, I do. All the time. I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Your eyes glow. You have this unique beauty that I can't help notice. But honestly, sweetheart, you should be really, really careful. Because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do. You really, really do. There's just something about your lips that just draws me in. It really does. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And everything just fades away. Except for me and you. And it makes me feel so lucky to be with you. I mean, I can listen to you speak for hours. Your voice combines with the way your lips move. It's just so mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feel so special. And I just wanted you to know how much I appreciate you. I do. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth. They hold so much kindness. It makes it so comforting to be with you. I mean, sweetheart, you're amazing inside and out. But your lips are just a part of it. And your hair. And I just love brushing your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair is so beautiful. It's so soft. It is. And I just love the way how the light just shines on your hair. It just kind of glows. And I get lost in it sometimes. Your hair just kind of frames your face.